Hello, welcome to the latest from the Met Office. We're in for a rather soggy and windy few days across the UK, and that's because low pressure is in charge. At the moment, we've got this smaller area of low pressure sat to the northwest of Ireland. That's going to be swinging these weather fronts across the UK through the course of Thursday and Friday too. And then by Saturday, we see this larger area of low pressure. It's further away from the UK, but it's still going to be extending its influence by pushing this weather front down from the southwest to bring another spell of wet and windy weather for the weekend. The thing with all of these weather fronts, though, is that they're coming in from the west, and that means that rainfall will continue to come in from the west, so rainfall totals will likely start to build up. There's a number of rain warnings in force throughout the course of Thursday. Many areas across the southwest will see heavy rain, but also across parts of Cumbria and Scotland, snowmelt will add to the heavy rain, bringing a risk of flooding. There'll likely be some travel disruptions, some delays to trains, potentially flights, as well as water on the road. So do take care if you're travelling throughout the day and into the evening. So wherever you are, it's like to be a cloudy, damp and pretty breezy day. Winds will be particularly strong across the southwest through the afternoon, but these should lighten off a little bit by the evening. With that southwesterly breeze, temperatures are on the rise as well. In the far southwest, we'll be up to 12 or 13 degrees, but it's going to be rather cloudy and damp, so you probably won't feel the benefit of the increase in our temperatures. The rain then pushes up to the northeast throughout the evening. It does linger for longer across the northeast of Scotland, so there's a rain warning in force into the evening for here. And then we see a slightly drier interlude, which will allow some mist and fog to develop across southern counties, as well as some low cloud across the far east coast. However, further west, we return to that more unsettled picture. With the mild air still in charge, it's going to be another mild night, a milder night than last night, with very little frost expected at all. So a much milder start to the day on Friday. And Friday, by and large, will be another unsettled one. There won't be quite as much rain as we're expecting throughout Thursday. But in western areas, you're likely to see fairly frequent heavy downpours. They'll also be quite gusty too, with a risk of thunderstorms, particularly across the southwest. In the southeast, not many of the showers will reach that far. That means it will be a little bit drier through the day. There's also going to be some sunshine. Temperatures climbing to around 10 or 11 degrees here, but still it will be a little bit breezy. But certainly a better day than tomorrow. And then Friday evening is when showers continue to stream in across northwestern areas, but in the south we start to see a little bump in the pressure pattern, which will diminish the shower risk. So it will be a drier evening across southwestern areas for a time. However, the weekend, as I said, we're set to see that next frontal system coming in, and you can see it here, this area of rain. So it will cloud over through the first part of the night, and there's some further heavy rain expected for Saturday. If you'd like more details on your weekend forecast, check out our latest on YouTube. I'll see you later.